So what happened here?
The police shot somebody in the chest twice. They said that the man had a gun or something, but he didn't. He was just a civilian.
What was he doing?
Nothing. They had him in cuffs and they shot him twice.
They shot him in cuffs.
He's over there right now, dead. He's over there right now, dead. They shot him on the bed right now.
You shot a man dead while he was in cuffs? While he was in cuffs? You shot a man dead while he was in cuffs? And you're smiling?
Oh, yeah.
You fascist pigs.
Short blonde hair.
A female officer with short blonde hair?
Yeah.
And what
he was in handcuffs and shot him twice in the chest.
While he was in handcuffs?
Yes,
and you
sir.
witnessed this?
I saw it. I was right there.
Was he struggling? Was he yelling at
I
her?
just like glanced and he was right there. Like, and I turned around, kept on walking. I thought it was some firecrackers, but then I seen all this fucking shit going on. And that's what happened.
He was in handcuffs?
Yeah, but he was in the wall. And I just got the fuck away from him.
Holy
And then I just came back and somebody said, right? And that's it, I'm out.
They shot a man while he was in handcuffs.
Twice in the back while he was in handcuffs.
It started the revolution in fucking Conquest Square in Egypt.
Shot twice in handcuffs. Was he in handcuffs when you arrived, gentlemen?
He was. When they arrived, he was still in handcuffs. While he's bleeding out all over the grounds.
These sick. You sick motherfuckers. You shoot a man while he's in handcuffs, you Nazi pigs. You make me sick. You're a disgrace to the American flag. Stand down and turn in your badges.
Yui!
How about you be on time for the